Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick little review on fluency. This is something we talked about in class a lot, but just want to make sure I can refresh your memory. Fluency is the way that we read something. So we read with accuracy, rate, expression, and punctuation. Now the accuracy means that we're reading the right words. The rate means we're not reading it way too fast and we're not reading it too slow. Expression is don't sound like a robot and read smoothly. Punctuation is using the punctuation when reading. For example, we talked about question marks and quotation marks. These are all things you need to be a fluent reader, and it's the way that we read something out loud. So the learning target today is I can use expression to make my reading sound like talking. Changing your voice to match the words on the page is what expression means. So we need to make sure that when we're reading the words on the page that we're changing our voice to match the words. For example, I've clipped a little picture from a book to show you how I would not read this. It is spring, he wondered. He opened the window to smell the air. Sniff, 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 he dressed. Now, the way that I just read that was very boring. Therefore, we need to use expression so that we can match how the mole is feeling. I can look at the pictures to give me hints. So now that I've practiced decoding all of those words and I know what the words are on the page, now I'm going to practice using expression. Is it spring? He wondered. He opened the window to smell the air. Sniff, sniff, sniff. He dressed. See how I changed my voice when I read it that time? It sounded more interesting and it helped me understand what was going on more importantly. Because sometimes when we read, we don't know or understand what's going on because we're not changing our voice and pretending like we're actually in the book. So when I read it using expression, you have to think about who the character is. What did the mole sound like? Maybe your character is a boy or a girl, and what do you think the character would sound like? I could even change my voice and to make a cartoon voice. The other thing is change your voice when you read. Use those quotation marks and punctuation to help you to start and stop your voice. So I noticed on this page, sniff, 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 those words right there are in a different font and color even. So I'm thinking I need to change my voice. It's giving me a hint. Or even these quotation marks. Is it spring? I know that he's actually saying that because this is what he is saying because the quotation marks are around that. Lastly, you need to practice reading it before your final try. Here's an example of a video I found of people that have to change their voices. These characters might be familiar to you.
Grew from Despicable
Back
Me.
in the game with gadgets and weapons and cool cars, the whole deal.
Or the announcement.
I have accepted a new job.
Whoa, really?
I've been recruited by a top secret agency
To go undercover and save the world.
You're gonna be a spy?
That's right, baby. Crew's back in the game with the gadgets and the weapons and the cool cars.
I thought that was a perfect example to show you that these characters have to change their voice. And although their voices are a little more silly, you get so stuck in a movie that you don't realize that somebody is actually reading those words. And a storybook that they had on paper simply turns into this amazing movie. So it's important that we change our voices and use expression when we are reading. So we are going to practice. Remember to try to use expression and not sound like a robot. So I'm going to give you a second to read this page to yourself. Now I'd like you to try to read this out loud. Hopefully you did not read it too slow or too fast, and hopefully you changed your voice. Here's my example. Finally, he shuffled into Bear's room. "Wake up, Bear," mumbled Mole. "Spring is here." If you noticed, I changed my voice when I read that and used expression. So when you practice reading, remember to use expression and change your voice. Now your assignment is to read the passage that we have on Seesaw. It's called Farmer Brown's Barn. So I'd like you to practice reading this passage first. And then you're going to click the microphone and record your voice while you read, and then you're going to submit that to Seesaw. Now I'm on the Seesaw page, and I'm going to pretend to be, add a response, I'm going to pretend to be a sample student. So what you're going to do is get this passage, and you're going to practice reading it a couple times first. If this is in your way, you can just kind of move it up a little bit so that you can read it. And then you're going to click this microphone and you're going to record yourself reading this passage, Farmer Brown's Barn. Then you're going to click this green check and submit it, and then I will listen to you read with expression. Thanks for listening. Have a great day, guys.